Class. Hello, Gungun, Namuna, Rituparna. How are you guys doing? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Welcome, everyone. So great to meet you all. Welcome to Unacademy, guys. So, a quick question. Who of you have been a part of Unacademy for how long? Let's see. Who is the oldest on Unacademy? Hi, Anne. Arya. Hello, Diksha. Angel. Okay, I got that. Perfect. How are you guys doing? Quickly tell me. Good evening. Yes, it is a bit good evening. I know that. Aren't you guys sleepy? It is a bit late, isn't it? 8 to 9. Have you all had dinner? I'm on Plus Angel. My current batch is going on. And I would say tomorrow would be the last class in which I would be doing a doubt solving session as well as a quiz. So if you are on Plus, please meet me there as well. I'm doing great, Arya. What about you? I'm so glad to meet you guys. So let's quickly, I would just describe what all you can find on Unacademy platform. Hello, Parna. Hello, Namuna. Perfect. So my name is Abha Sharma. I'm an educator from past 4 years and I believe all my children are stars and you can all shine if you get the correct guidance in a correct way. Perfect. So this is a bit about me. I love to do art and craft, and apart from that, I love to work out and stay fit. So who of you love to play and do some kind of a physical exercise? Tell me. Perfect. Hello, Dikong. Hi, Harsh. So glad to meet you all today. So these are the ongoing and upcoming batches for your 6th class. The one that is Eureka batch from scores that would be covering your math, science, and SST. Then we have another batch for science and SST. Then we have another one for English and Hindi. So you can be a part of all of these batches in order to, receive the perfect education that you all want. Okay, so Arya also like to paint. I also do. I'm very creative if I would like to, add. Hello, Ria. We would be having a bit of, I would say, a pop quiz in between. Okay? Hello, Aradhya. Hello, Lajong. How are you guys doing? So, perfect. So, here are your batches that you can be a part of. Science would be taught by Shubh Karman ma'am over here and Charu Anand ma'am. And this would be a revision batch that is going on. It will be till 31st January. So, still 2 months are left. So, go ahead and join the batch. As well as you have another batch for science and mathematics. So, this batch will also, is left for another 2 months. Okay? Hello, Ajay. Hi, good evening, Ria. Hello, Mamta. How are you guys doing? Yes. All right. Thank you so much, Darshana. That is so sweet of you. I'm doing great. Let's start. Just give me another 2 minutes. I'll quickly tell you what all batches and how it can benefit you all. So let me just quickly finish it up and we'll start. Okay, so your A to Z finale of English and Hindi literature is going on for 6th class and is taken by the beautiful Hina ma'am and Sonal ma'am. The Hindi would be taken by Sonal ma'am and English should be taught by Hina ma'am, right? So who is a fan of Hina ma'am over here? Hina ma'am and Sonal ma'am. There would be a pop quizzes in between and some question answers that we would be doing. So this is, I would say, the half of chapter, right? Perfect. So in this plus subscription, you can get the India's best educators. If you like my class, there would be like lots of efficient other educators that you can find on the platform. Then you have interactive live sessions just like these, all the live tests and quizzes, as well as the creative corner where you can learn the drawing and art and craft and everything. In the iconic subscription, you get everything of this sort that is in the plus subscription, but as well as you get an additional benefit of a personal mentor and personal attention by a whole team. That is personal mentor, live doubt solving sessions, parent connect app, and everything, even the study planner. Thank you so much. Darshana is writing, yes, I'm a fan of you and Hina ma'am. So glad. Absolutely, Ratan. Why not? So I would try to be I would try to say it in Hindi and once in English in both the languages so that it is absolutely clear. Hello, Atul. How are you doing? Yes, this chapter is covered in geography as well. All right. Thank you so much, Atul. I hope that you like the class. All right. So these are your subscriptions that you can be a part of. And guys, I would highly recommend this in this particular part. You can actually at least try it for 3 months or 6 months for the iconic one. Why? Because this is the fundamental, I would say, thing that you need to cover if you want to really clear the concepts of sixth class, right? Because you people are not going to school, and there's a bit of, I would say, difference in your studies and everything. So I really would suggest you guys to be a part of the plus courses as well, because then only you would be able to get a whole idea of each and everything. So guys, a very very important information, that this is my referral code, that is AS23, right? So you all know, if you use this, you would be getting a 10% discount. I know you all know that. Perfect. But now, from 1st December, if you want to enter a free class or a special class, you would be needing this code. So quickly write it somewhere whenever you want to enter it. So, or remember it. My name is Abha Sharma, AS23. You enter that code and you will be able to enter all the classes, all the special classes. Yes, okay. Darshana and I shared Sharma girls over here. Perfect. All right. Thank you so much, Atul. Yeah, let's start. Okay. So quickly give me a thumbs up if you all are excited to go ahead. I need at least a century. Perfect. So right now we would be studying about air around us. Partially this chapter would be covered in this class and another part would be covered in the next class. So before just beginning, I have like 3 beautiful, I believe, drawings sent by Arya. We would be seeing like one of them, and then after some time we would be seeing the others as well. So here is the drawing by Arya. Just look at it, how beautiful this is. Arya Shri made this. This is wonderful. I literally got those star eyes. Beautiful. This is made by Arya, and just see the detailing. What do you use in making them, Arya? Thank you so much, Darshana. You used oil pastels or you used colors? Acrylic colors. Don't tell me. Beautiful. Very nice. Very talented. All right. So we would be covering the topic that is air around us. And you also know that this topic basically consists of everything that you can see around you, or you can feel, or you can breathe, that is air. So let's see what all are the benefits or the characteristics of air, right? So again, my name is Abha Sharma, and again, to enter my class from 1st December, you would be needing this code to enter any special or free classes in Unacademy platform. Just write this down. All right. So a brain teaser: is air everywhere? How important it is to life on Earth? So first of all, is air everywhere? Yes or no? On Earth? Quickly tell me. Okay, Dekong answered yes. Amian answered Amlan. Oh, all right. Krishnan answered, "Hi, hello." Then I have a lot of yeses. Perfect. So that is absolutely true. Yes, air is everywhere, from mountain to your seas, from your, yes, absolutely. To respiration to combustion. Very absolutely correct, Dekong. Very nice. Hello, Pika. Hello, Nishant. So glad to see you. Okay, so Angel has shared some pictures with us. We will be seeing that very soon. All right? Yeah, I'll do that, Ratan. Very soon, very soon. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. And how important it is to the life for respiration, for each and every purpose, for even. Okay, so quickly give me two benefits of air and two uses of air. Quickly. Hello, Dia. This is your first class on Unacademy. Okay, my question is two uses of air. I want you to write it in the chat box. Quickly, I want the answers. Breathing, absolutely, Arya. Sujana said, "Oh my god, you people are rocking it." Respiration, absolutely. And Dikong answered something really nice, that is winnowing. Who knows that what is winnowing? Burning candles. Very nice, Oishi. All right. Amlan answered respiration and burning. Perfect. Yes, we do need air for each and everything. Absolutely. So, so these are the things like breathing, respiration, burning of light, combustion, or winnowing. Everything needs air. So this is the basic component of our environment that we cannot live about. You can live without, right? We need air to even talk. Absolutely, Darshana. Absolutely correct. So these are the basic of uses of air. So today we would be covering the following topics, that are what are the uses of air, why do we need air, is air present everywhere around us, then availability of oxygen to animals and plants living in water and soil. So air is present over here. We are on we are on land. What about water and soil? We would be answering all these questions. Then, how is the oxygen in the atmosphere replaced? So, oxygen, now we are consuming all the oxygen. So, how is that replaced in the environment? Very good. Ajay just gave a very nice, I would say, input about winnowing. All right. So Ajay said that winnowing is a process in which big seeds are removed from a group of small powder with the use of blowing air. So who all of you knows that winnowing is? So let me quickly make you people understand winnowing. Okay. So winnowing is a process in which what we happen is we use the blowing air. It is a concept in your chapter, that is separation of substances. What happen is, suppose this is my basket in which I have grains and in which I have husk. So what I will do is I will keep pouring all the grains and the husk right over here. So grains are heavier, they will fall on the ground and start getting collected. But husks are, lighter. So with the blowing air, they would, keep separating from the seeds or the grains. So this is how winnowing is done. I have a separate class on this particular chapter. You can go ahead and definitely attend that. Absolutely. Please do. Please send me your photos. Photos of your drawing or something. All right. Perfect. So then we would be covering oxygen dissolved in water, how the plant animals or the animals basically use that. Then the oxygen cycle in the atmosphere. So these would be the things that we would be covering today. Thank you, Kirtana, that you liked the class. I'm so glad. All right. So, introduction to air. So, air is around us, but we cannot see it, right? Let me just zoom it for you so that we can easily see the beautiful pictures, right? So, air is all around us, but we cannot see it until when can you see the air around you? Quickly tell me. You know, one beautiful morning you wake up and then you see a lot of air. When that happens? There would be pop quizzes or questions in between. Yes, absolutely, Angel. Roshni as well. Absolutely. So when there is fog or a lot of pollution should be the right word, right? So when there is a lot of pollution or the dust particles or the chemical particles in the air, then only we are able to see it. Otherwise, our Mother Nature has provided us with absolutely clear air, right? So that's why we are not able to see the air around us, but it is present everywhere. Then we can feel the wind and breeze. So sometimes what is the difference between wind and breeze? Quickly tell me. And then we will see two drawings of any two of the participants. Okay. Now quickly first tell me what is wind and what is breeze. So Arya answered wind is strong. Strong what? Absolutely, Dikong. Moving air is known as wind. So wind is basically, I would say, the blowing air. It is a bit faster. But breeze is a soft, I would say, movement of air. Yes, breeze is calm and wind is a bit, I would say, fast. Yes, very true, Ajay. Lajong answered it correctly. Roshni, perfect. Ria, very nice, very nice. So let's see pictures of some of the talented people here. So we have one from Ratan, and okay, so nice of him to share it. So he has shared a picture of winnowing. Thank you so much, Ratan. I really appreciate these kind of inputs. Thank you so much. So this is the concept of winnowing. It is a bit tilted right now, but however you still can understand, just look at it like this. Okay, so this woman, what she is doing is she's throwing the husk and grain over here. The grains are collected over here because they are heavier, so they are falling directly. However, what happens to the husk is the wind is blowing from here and the husks are getting separated. They are getting moved away with the wind. So this is known as winnowing. Wind, say, you know the spelling of wind, right? And the spelling of winnowing. So remember it in this way. So ये win, ठीक है? तो wind से winnowing. Perfect. And let's see a few more drawings. It is shared by Arya. Okay, I think we have seen this one, this beautiful one. Then let's see one from Ajay. Yes, okay. So he again shared the picture of winnowing. Thank you so much, Ajay. That really appreciated. Perfect. Let's see other ones. Okay. Perfect. What all? Yes, so these are the pictures that were shared. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class. Okay, Bhavish mentioned what is the level of oxygen? Level as in level, do you want to know the percentage of oxygen in air, Bhavish? Is that your question? Perfect. No, Ashmita, we have just started, child. Right, Kirtana, the drawing was great. Absolutely. So let's start with our first topic, that is the uses of air. So how is air used in different things? So apart from respiration and photosynthesis, air is used in the following applications. So you know respiration is breathing in of air, using that air to break down food particles and gaining energy from that and releasing out carbon dioxide. This whole process is known as respiration. What do you mean by photosynthesis? In this photosynthesis, the plants take in carbon dioxide, they make food from that using that carbon dioxide, and then they release oxygen as a byproduct. So this is what our photosynthesis is. So we all know that these are two very important functions of air. So let's see what else. Dispersal of seeds and pollens. Can someone tell me what do you mean by dispersal of pollens and what is the word used for that? Hello, Yashika. How are you doing? Yes, Darshana. 21% of oxygen is there present in the air. Balloon was flying with air, absolutely. So my question is again with the intelligent people present in the house that what do you mean by when one pollen grain shifts from one place to another or it is transported from one place to another? What do you call that? Do anyone know it? Transfer of pollen grains from anther of the flower to the stigma of the other flower. Pollination. Yes, we have a winner over here. Roshni. Very nice. Very nice. So pollination is the word. Kirtana answered correctly as well. So in pollination, we basically, just excuse my writing over here, guys, because I'm using a mouse. So this pollination, the dispersal of seed and pollens, specifically pollens, is taken place by pollination. So this is also done by the wind. So this is also a kind of use of wind. Let me clear the board for you. Yeah. All right. Let's move ahead. So multiplication of plant. What do you mean by multiplication? That means reproduction of plant is done by with the help of pollination, and pollination is done with the help of wind. So that's why it results in the survival of the plants. Yes, absolutely, Arya. Pollination is done by wind, water, and insects, right? So all three of them can do the pollination. So let's move ahead. Rotation of windmills. So can someone tell me how a windmill looks and what is the function of windmill? So windmill basically looks something like this. They are like big fans, big fans, right? They move around like this and they generate electricity. Very nice, very nice. Arya, Sujanya, Roshni, absolutely, they generate electricity and even draw water from the well, right? So what happened is a kind of a bucket is, present over here. So it goes inside, it takes water, it comes inside, it throws the water. This is how it happens. So this is the rotation of windmills taken place by the wind, with the help of wind, strong wind. All right, let's move on to the next one. Uses of constituents of air. So nitrogen is used as a fertilizers. Okay, nitrogen fixation. Have anyone heard about that? All right, after this slide, I would be seeing a few more drawings of few people, okay? Okay, so nitrogen fixation is a method which would be taught to you in like really higher classes. So what happened is the nitrogen present in the air basically helps the plant to grow more healthy and more nicely. So the nitrogen that is present in your air helps the plant to grow more. That's why they are basically used in the fertilizers. Fertilizers are the components which are added to soil to make it more fertile. So नाइट्रोजन जो होता है हमारी सॉइल को थोड़ा और हेल्दी बना देता है, इसलिए इसको हम फर्टिलाइजर्स में डालते हैं. फर्टिलाइजर क्या होते हैं? ये वो सब्सटेंस होता है जो कि हमारे सॉइल को और ज्यादा फर्टाइल बनाता है और ज्यादा उपजाऊ बनाता है, एंड इट अलाउज द प्लांट्स टू ग्रो मच मोर. ऑलराइट, ओके. And oxygen for combustion. So we know that oxygen is used to burn anything, right? We need oxygen to burn, right? So I'll give you a quick poll over here and I will speak the question and you have to answer that. Okay? So the question is, what is used to put off fire? मेरे घर में आग लगी है तो मैं कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करूंगी उसको बुझाने के लिए. So the first one is a thermometer can be used to put off fire. Then the B is fire extinguisher. Oh my god, I'm not able to write. Let's erase this. Okay, so just listen it carefully. The first one is fire extinguisher thermometer. The second one is fire extinguisher, or the fourth one is you can say torch. All right. So tell me, which one of these can help me put off fire? A thermometer, a fire extinguisher, or torch? B, absolutely B. Yes, Oishi and Kirtana. Rudra also answered. Angel, Darshana, very nice. So your fire extinguisher basically helps me to put off the fire. So now someone can tell me, what does fire extinguisher do that it can put off fire? I'm not able to write, I'm just writing it in short form. Can someone tell me that what is the function of fire extinguisher? How is it able to put off fire? Wash would not be the correct term over here. Dry is also not the... Roshni answered it. Yes, it is carbon dioxide. It is other chemical as well. So it could be like simple. Let me quickly explain you. So what happened is, suppose I have fire over here, right? So now this fire is burning because it is getting oxygen from the air around it. It has lots of oxygen. So whenever we use a fire extinguisher, what this fire extinguisher does, it cuts the connection. Fire extinguisher cuts the connection of the fire with the oxygen and basically just makes a cover around the fire. So that no oxygen can be near the fire, so that it can burn more. So जैसे ही ऑक्सीजन कम होती है वैसे ही हमारा जो फायर होती है बुझनी बंद हो जाती है, because without the oxygen the fire cannot burn. Absolutely. Okay. Yes, I am using a mouse. Yes, Krishna, go ahead and yes, it stop the supply of air. Perfect. So these are the uses of air. Movement of certain vehicles. So sailboats, aircraft are the vehicles that are used in a way in which the air is used. Fire doesn't mean water, Krishna. There won't be much polls and quizzes in this class. This is more of a conceptual class, okay? But I would be like asking you questions in between. Hello, Aditya. Welcome to the class. Sailboat is a boat which uses the wind of the environment to basically, run faster. Paper airplane. Very nice, Angel. Absolutely. Yes, a yacht as well. Very nice. But yacht does have a motor, so Roshni. So it usually doesn't, it is more of a luxurious, I would say, vehicle. So it usually doesn't have that sail thing. Okay, combustion means burning. Okay, so whenever there is a substance burning, that is known as combustion. Yes, air pushes the sailboat to make it move. Absolutely. I am from Delhi, Krishna. Paper airplane, helicopters, absolutely, Ratan. Thank you so much for the inputs. I'm loving your interaction, guys. Give a thumbs up to everyone. Absolutely. Give thumbs up for each and everyone. Thank you so much for so many interactions. Right. Very nice. Very nice, guys. All right, let's move ahead. Is air everywhere? So, this is going to answer your question. The movement of sand is an example of air. So, air is present in the deserts. This is what they are telling you. The leaves of the trees plants sway because of the air. So that's why all in the environment you have trees in each and every part of the world. So yes, air is present over there. The wind helps the blades of the windmill to move. So all of these are the functions of air, and that's why because of these we can prove that air is everywhere. Yes, sand dune. Thank you, Roshni, for the input. Air is very important, Angel. Absolutely. Windmill. Okay, Kirtana is asking what is a windmill. Darling, it is basically a big machine. So it looks something like this. Just give me a second. So a windmill looks something like this. It is usually present in like huge farms. Okay, so here it has like you have a fan in your room. It has big fans like this. So with the help of air, what they do is they move. Okay. So when they move, they generate energy as well as they can take out water from the well. So these are like big, I would say, devices or instrument or a machine that is used. Hello Tanu, welcome to the class. Okay, absolutely. So can someone share a picture of windmill quickly? Yes, Krishna, absolutely. Kirtana. Okay. So these are the, I would say, a proof that air is everywhere. Hello, Diksha Dakar. Priyanshu is also here with us. Everyone say hi. Hello, everyone. Okay, so Sarjana has shared a beautiful drawing with us. So let's see what she has shared. Okay, so first one is by Arya, and we actually saw this one. Then we have, I'm finding your Sujana. Okay, here it is. Let's see, guys. Tell Sujana, how is it? Oh my God, just look at it, so beautiful. Don't tell me you made this. Beautiful. Did you use oil pastels to use that or what? So Jana did it. Beautiful. Really loved it. How are you guys so talented? So Roshni is telling it is excellent. Yes, Anushka, this is for 6th class child. Air around us. Kirtana is saying it's very beautiful. Have no words though. Okay, so Sujana made it with oil pastels. I will see that, Ratan, in just a few more seconds, okay? So you can post it, Angel, you can post it in the question box. I can see it from there. I love art and craft, Darshana. Yes, Arya, Sarjana had made a very nice drawing. Perfect. So does air occupy space? You know, air, we cannot see air. I cannot hold air, but does it actually occupy space? So does air need space? So that is the question over here. So Jana Shivangi saying it is very beautiful. Ratan Priya, okay, let's see your ones. Ratan Priya, okay, Winnowing I have seen. Let's see which one are you trying to show. Winnowing we have seen, darling. And anything more? I don't think so. Then Aradhya also shared a picture of winnowing, growing of plants. Thank you so much. And here it is. Okay, so someone asked me how does and what is a windmill? So here it is. This is a windmill. So all these fans now move like this, and they basically generate energy to create electricity. Thank you so much, Ratan, for this. Really appreciate it. This is shared by Ratan. Thank you. So Shubham is with us in the class and he's saying that he passed 12th this year, but he's still so, nostalgic to see all these chapters in 6th. Yes, I feel the same. I actually remember studying these in school and now I'm teaching them. So yeah, we do feel nostalgic. Yes, Darshana, air does not have a definite shape. So, guys, just a quick reminder. I just shared a code with you that is AS23, right? So, from 1st December, you would be needing these codes. The code that I am writing on the the screen. You would be needing this to basically enter the classes. Okay, so you can be a part of that. Yes, AS23, absolutely. So whenever there is a special student in this class, so you can like join the classes with this code that is AS23. All right, very nice, very nice. Sifali, we are having a very interactive classes. I'm asking you questions in between, so you can write it in the chat box. Okay, no as such pose, but then again you can have a lot of information. So, does air occupy space could be answered by an inflated balloon. You take a balloon, you put air into it, it just becomes so big. That means that putting air into something is actually occupying space. So the proof can be given by the inflated balloon. Then we have an inflated vehicle tire. So that is also a proof of air occupies space. All right. Football, very nice, Arjana. Absolutely. Darshana say, I like your class. I'm really glad that you're here and you're liking it. Great, guys. So, guys, tomorrow I would be having like a few more special classes for 6th as well. So, if you want to be a part of them, go ahead and I would love to see you. All right. And you can follow me on the Unacademy platform so that you are able to, get an update of each and every special and plus classes that I'm conducting. So in the next upcoming week from 1st to 5th, I would be having much more classes that are for special, specifically for the championship that is coming up. So be ready and pull up your socks. Yes, absolutely, Kirtana. Football, Roshni is also giving, Sarjana is also giving. Very nice, very nice. Basketball, cycle tire, very nice. Okay, Shubham is saying congratulations to everyone and study hard. Bye bye, Shubham. All the best for your future. He's in 12th class and he has already passed. Bye bye, take care. All right. So, bubble wrap. Who likes to, pop that bubble wrap? I love to do it. It comes with a lot of, I would say, things to just make it secure. Oh, that is great. In my last class, I had like 150 children. So I'm really glad that you people are present. Yes, I also love to do it, Kirtana. All the bubble wrap just to pop them. It's such a good feeling. Then we have our floaters. Who knows how to swim? Quickly tell me. Okay, Angel does, Roshni does, very nice. I also know how to swim, but however, to swim we need to learn swimming first, and for that we usually use floaters. The one that children wear on their arms. Sometimes there is a ring-like floater. You can sit on that and just float on the water. So all of these basically are filled with air, and that is again an example that air occupies your space. Yes, Ria said if you buy online, you can get it easily. Yes, absolutely. An air tube. Perfect. So, can air move objects? Yes, is air because we cannot touch it. We are not able to see how strong air is by touching it, right? So, is it that capable to move objects? So, let's see. Yes, the rustling of leaves that you see when the leaves move very gradually or the trees sway like this, it is all done by air. The movement of your leaves, then blowing away of cotton balls. Of course, everything is done by air here. In a storm, absolutely. A paper boat, very nice, Angel and Sarjana, very nice. Perfect. Balloon, cotton, yes. Absolutely. Then sailing vessels. Can someone share a picture of a sailing boat? Flowers moving, sand dunes. Absolutely, Shivang. Kirtana, very nice. Sand, absolutely. Some seed are also spread by air. Ria, we just covered this topic in which that that dispersal of seed is happening and dispersal of pollen grains and happening in pollination. Clothes move, clothes dry because of air. So yes, air can. The answer would be yes. Air can move objects, right? Perfect. So let's see if we have a few more questions. So Angel shared this beautiful drawing, a beautiful diagram of a plant. Let's see how nicely he has made this. See? Wow, just look at it. The detailing is so nice and so clean. I love it. When children make clean diagrams, it is again a very important part of your, glass of thumbs up, Angel. Give a thumbs up to Angel quickly. Very nice. Angel, tell us about the parts of plant. Absolutely, absolutely. Very nice. So the answer to it is, can air move objects? Yet it can. Yes, it can. Okay. A pop quiz is coming up. So be ready, guys. Pull up your socks, and I believe that you would need to write the answers in this. So let's see who will be able to do this. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you people are ready. Perfect. So list any 5 activities around you that you think are possible due to the presence of air. So in one answer only, write 5 things. So write 1, 2, 3, ऐसे करके जल्दी से. Let's see कौन पहले आंसर करता है. The activities that are possible because of the air. You have to write that. Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds to do that. Quickly, quickly. Shivangi, write 1, then put comma, then write 2, or just write the things in one answer so that I know. Okay, 5 things at once would be counted as one answer. So Shivangi answered burning. Okay, Arya answered spreading of pollens, balloons. Very good. Okay, so Mamta gave a complete answer, I believe. That is windmill, blowing of balloon, pollination, and winnowing. Perfect. Perfect. Very nice, Mamta. Oshi gave respiration, photosynthesis, winnowing, burning candle, and seed dispersal. Absolutely. So Oshi is the first one to give the correct answer and complete answer. That is the 5 things, 5 activities. Very nice, Oshi. Okay, more are coming up. Paperboat, moving of leaf by Sajanya. Very nice, very nice. Angel is saying paperboat. Roshni has given blowing of bubbles. Very nice. Winnowing, combustion, pollination, and sailing of boat. So those are 5 things. So the second one is Roshni. All right. Okay. Then we have answer by Arya, respiration and winnowing. We have answer by Kirtana, pollination, respiration, winnowing, photosynthesis. And then Angel answered a complete one, sailing of a sailboat, balloon, paper. Very nice. Darshana answered burning of fire, for respiration, flying of balloon. Very nice, guys. When you answer such like this now, and I'm specifically reading out all the answers because others also learn from that. Suppose you answered 5 activities and other answered something else, so you would be able to know 10 things done by air. So this is the positive thing about the live class. I tell you 5 things, you tell me 5 things, other person tell you 5 things, and in all you learn a lot of new things. That is great. Okay, very nice, guys. Give a clap to all of you. Everyone answered. Very nice. Clap for all of you. Quickly. Give a clap quickly. Yes. So this pop quiz was absolutely, tremendous. Very nice. Okay, so let's see the answer. So the generation of power by windmills answered by a lot of you, wind pollination, drying of clothes, sailing of a sailboat, breathing, all of these five activities are possible due to the presence of air, and others are also capable after whatever you mentioned. Absolutely, you all are literally the stars. I am literally loving the energy in the class, guys. Seriously. Okay, so Sarjana just shared a picture with us. Let's see what is the picture. Okay, I'm finding it. Ah, see, she shared a sailboat. Thank you so much. Let's zoom in a bit to see it more. Thank you. So this is how a sailboat looks like. What happened is the wind, comes gushing over here, and because of that, this cloth basically takes the sailboat आगे in the forward direction, right? So this is how it works, and it was given by Sarjana. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it, children. All right. Perfect. Okay, so there is one more question. However, I'll explain it in brief, Oyeshi. Why I'm saying that? Because that is a complete another class that I would be covering. So I would be giving you a brief on components of air. So can someone tell me the components of air quickly? Quickly tell me. We'll help Oyeshi out. Ria, you can share the pictures in the question box, child. Nitrogen, very true, Arya. Oishi, oxygen, absolutely. CO2, very nice. Very nice. So, let us make a kind of a circle right here. So, I would say 78% of oxygen or air is nitrogen. 78%. Okay. 21% of air, 21% is your oxygen that we breathe and the plants breathe out. Okay. No, nitrogen does not support that, Oishi. And 1% is other gases. In that other gases, we have our CO2, we have water vapor, and other things. Thodi sub. So the major part is covered by your nitrogen. We would be going in depth of this, that how nitrogen helps us in the next class. Then we have 21% of oxygen, that you all know what are the uses of oxygen, such as breathing in humans, in animals. Then combustion, everything is a benefit of oxygen. And then the other part, CO2, water vapor. So we would be going in detail about this in the next class, and possibly I would be like putting in a lot of polls. So probably tomorrow we would be finishing up with this chapter, and I would be putting polls in it. Okay, we would be having like a small quiz. Yes, very nice, very nice. All right. So why is air important for plants and animals? So air basically is important for plants and animals because in plants it helps in two things. One is photosynthesis. Without air, without the components of air, that is carbon dioxide, it won't be able to, breathe in. The plants won't be able to breathe in and use that carbon dioxide to make food. Plants, if they do not make food, then we will not get food and the life cycle won't be possible. So that's why air is the biggest component in the process of photosynthesis. Same is the case with respiration. So respiration in plants is taking in of carbon dioxide, using it to make food, and then releasing oxygen. Yes, both air. Yes, very true, Mamta, very true. And Roshni also added a point that through stomata they take in the air. Very nice, very nice. And in animals, we do have respiration. Okay, so our taking in of oxygen, breaking down food to gain energy and breathing out of carbon dioxide. This whole process of respiration is also taken care by air. So that's why air is very much important. So we do have a few more pictures to see. Let's see what you people have there for us. See, Ratan shared the components of air for you, Oishi. Thank you so much, Ratan. That is so sweet of you. Nitrogen, see, this is how what a diagram I made. We have nitrogen in the 78% category. Oh, just give me a second. Yeah, 78%. Then we have oxygen in 21%. And then we have 1%. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and everything. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay. We have a few more things. So Angel shared this beautiful drawing with us. Thank you so much. It is really nice. I love the patterns and the colors that you have used. Really nice. Beautiful, Angel. All right. Hello, everyone who has just entered. I'm so glad to meet you all. No, Ajisheti, not yet, but we have done a lot of pop quizzes in between, and we would be having that, in the upcoming slides as well. Hello, Garvit. Okay, polls have not started yet, and this chapter would be covered in two parts. So we are doing the first part right now with the pop quizzes, and tomorrow I would be covering this chapter completely, and then I would be having a quiz on this. Okay? Yes, Kirtana, before ending the class, I would definitely see all the pictures. Don't worry, I will show everyone. Okay? Okay, let's see. Let's move ahead. Availability of oxygen to plants and animals living in the soil and water. So animals that live on the surface of the earth utilizes oxygen available on the air, in the air. So जो भी land पे रहता है animal, वो easily हमारी जो air होती है earth पे use कर पाता है, right? What about the ones who live in soil? So the animals that live in soil and the roots utilize the oxygen available in the pores of the soil. तो कभी भी soil एक solid नहीं है कि उसके अंदर जगह ही नहीं है. Soil is just like a powder, so it does contain a lot of holes, and that area is basically taken taken by the air bubbles. So we do have air dissolved in the, or I would say mixed in the soil. So from that, your earthworm or your roots, everyone basically takes in air. And you, as you intelligent people know, so aquatic animals and other animals use oxygen to dissolve in water. Absolutely, Sarjana made the stickers as well. Oxygen dissolved in water is taken by aquatic plants and animals. Yes, it is red worms. Absolutely, Ratan. Yes, absolutely. Sarjana, okay, I got that. Math root absorb water. Yes, Kirtana. Roots basically absorb water and minerals from the soil. Yes, Arya, nitrogen helps us in growth. Very nice. Okay, let's move ahead. Does soil contain air? So yes, we would say, because air is basically mixed up in the soil. That's why worms like these are able to breathe inside the soil. Breathe animals, aquatic, worm, birds. Yes, Angel, absolutely. So let's share a bit of pictures that we have piled up over here. Let's see what everyone have for sharing. Okay, so beautiful picture is shared by Ashmita. Beautiful. See how beautiful graphics it has? Nice. I'll give you 2 hearts. Red and purple. Beautiful, Ashmita. Thank you for sharing this. All right. Then we have a few more pictures. Let's see I'm like randomly picking up your pictures, guys. Okay. Rudra shared such a beautiful sketch with us. Let's see. It is beautiful, Rudra. I loved it, Sachi. I love the blending that you have done over here. Just look at it, guys. Isn't it good? Give a quick clap to Rudra. Very nice. So, Sojanya is also saying very good. Very nice. Beautiful. So the answer to the question that I asked, that does the soil also contain air? So it is absolutely yes. Animals like earthworm and insects living in the soil, plant root get the air they need for respiration from the air present in the soil. See, so many of you, you got a lot of claps, Rudra. Very nice. Yes, Angel, it looks real. Absolutely. Perfect. A topper's fact. Let's see who knew it before. So you have to be truthful that you knew it before or you didn't. So, uses of compressed air. Basically, whenever force is applied on the air, it compresses. So the compressed air is the atmospheric air forced and compressed into a smaller volume. So it is just like that. If I give you a dough that is atta gunda hua and I ask you to put it in a small box, so what you'll do, you'll put pressure on that dough so that वो उस छोटे से volume में fit हो जाए, right? So the same way our air, we put pressure on the air and it get compressed in a smaller volume, and that is used for several purposes, like in aerospace, automotive, that is your mechanical things, electronics, glass manufacturing, medical science, pharmaceuticals is your medicines and everything. Then mining, taking out metals and ores from the mining is taking out metals or ores or any components from inside the earth. Yes, ma'am, हम सब अभी भी air use कर रहे हैं. When I'm speaking so much, then I'm using that air to breathe in so much, right? So these are all the uses of compressed air. So does water contain air? As you all beautiful people know, so that is yes, absolutely. Yes, Angel and Arya. I hope that Arya, I'm able to answer your mining question. Okay, perfect. So air also, sorry, water also contains dissolved air inside it. So air is present inside the water so that aquatic plants and animals can use that oxygen dissolved in air for respiration, because they also need that air to break down the food and take out energy from that now they also need to breathe. So that's why air is present in the water as well. See how beautiful our God has made, or how complete our God has made our environment. So even if you live on land, water, soil, everyone gets everything equally. Perfect. So did you know in 1783, a rooster and a sheep and a duck were the first passenger of a hot air balloon. The flight lasted 8 minutes and then landed safely. So कौन था फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में एक उसमें हॉट एयर बैलून में? एक रूस्टर, एक शीप और एक डक. Can you just imagine all of them in a hot air balloon flying in the air? It is very funny, but that is a fact. And it was made like 200 years before. Yes. Okay. How is oxygen in the atmospheric replaced? So you all know that animals absorb that oxygen and plants produce oxygen. So oxygen is in the atmosphere during combustion or anything like that, or respiration in animals, that oxygen is reduced and carbon dioxide is provided. But during photosynthesis, the plants take in that carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Right? So this is how it is done. So हमारा कंबशन हो गया, अगर हमारा रेस्पिरेशन हो गया, उससे हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन ले लेते हैं, राइट? बट जो हमारे प्यारे से प्लांट्स होते हैं वो लोग क्या करते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस के टाइम हमें ऑक्सीजन वापस दे देते हैं. तो ये जब प्रोसेस पूरा साइकिल चलता रहता है, उसको उसकी वजह से हमारे जो एटमॉस्फेयर में ऑक्सीजन होता है इट रिमेन्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ओके, so is that clear? Give me a thumbs up if you people actually understood that. Okay, perfect. Give me a thumbs up quickly, guys. Very nice. What is a rooster? Rooster is kind of a hen, Arya. Okay? Male hen. Perfect. Okay. So oxygen is also dissolved in water. It basically goes from the atmosphere only, but however then it is dissolved in water. Yes, main hen is called a rooster. So this is how the oxygen cycle on earth works. फोटोसिंथेसिस में प्लांट्स ने ऑक्सीजन दिया, हमने लिया, और ये चलता रहता है. Perfect. We would be talking a bit more about this cycle in the upcoming classes, so don't worry. For today's class, thank you everyone for being a part of it. You can ask me anything on my Telegram channel that is present over here, and in here I would be posting about the classes that I would be conducting. So be a part of that. Again, from 1st December, a few days after, you would be needing the code that is AS23. Okay, to enter the free classes or the special classes. So do not take it down. Okay, that is AS23. All right, and have a nice day. If you want to be a part of Plus subscription, and just to tell you something really exciting, from 1st December I would be coming up with a new Plus course in which I would be really covering the difficult chapters of your particular class. So if you want to be a part of it, just go ahead and be a part of Plus or Iconic. Right, you all know, just download the application and go ahead with it. Perfect. And before going, I will, as promised, I will share a few pictures shared by my beautiful children. Okay. Let me find it. Okay, so Ria actually shared the picture of Dia's. Beautiful. Did you light them up and set it up like this? It's very nice. Seriously. Heart pop eyes for you. So nice. Okay, and then I think Shivangi also shared something. Okay, she shared the components of air with us. Very nice. Ratan shared this picture that he made. Very beautiful, Ratan. It is looking unrealistic, child. Beautiful. A big heart for you. Very good. Trying to write, but however, I'm failing miserably. All right, let me find some more. Let's see. A tortoise made by Angel. So nice. Just look how cute this is. Beautiful. So nice. Okay, Arya. I would love to show that. I'll try to show that in the next class for sure. Perfect. Thank you everyone for being a part of my classes. I really, loved interacting with you all, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Take care till then. Bye-bye, children. Love to meet you. Let's crack it together. Bye. Write this code so that you can enter the class now, okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Meet you soon.